I wanted to stop, and I couldn't because I couldn't get my feet out because it was too steep. So I'm now having an internal battle with continuing. I'm only a fraction of the way through, and it's now a mind over matter battle. Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. So about 7 weeks ago I started riding on Zwift. If you don't know what Zwift is, it's a computer program that you attach your bike to and you can go and do different types of rides. I'm doing a 12-week program to improve my overall fitness because I've just got back into cycling. And today we are in Santa Barbara for our 18th wedding anniversary. And as part of our weekend of celebrations, we decided to go out on a bike ride. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this bike ride because it's the most amount of climbing I've done since I restarted cycling 7 weeks ago. So my husband planned a route for us today, so I'm going to show you the route. So this is the route that he's planned, and it's 33.5 miles, and it's 2,424 feet of climbing, which is frightening and terrifying because that's the most amount of climbing I've done. I thought it'd be a great time to also tie in a bra review. So I'm going for a few firsts today. I'm going to be doing all this climbing, and I am going to be wearing the Wacoal High Impact Sports Bra. So this is the Wacoal High Impact Sports Bra that I'm wearing. It's got underwire. It's not a flex, but it is underwire in the cups. They are seam-free, lined cups with the wider strap, and they are adjustable at the back, and it has the 3 hook and eye detailing. So let's see how this fares in this riding. I'm really excited. We're just setting the bikes up, and to give you some idea, I am 5'5", my husband is 5'8". I am riding the bike on the right, the Bianchi, and he rides the Dolan. Look at the difference in seat saddle. I've worked out that I think I've got an odd shaped head because every helmet I try, they just don't work. This one doesn't work either. Look. These are meant to go round your ears. There's no way they'll go around my ears, and my ears are tiny. Anyway, I will start my Wahoo and I will see you all later. Wish me luck! They scare me for the reasons of I can't get them out quick enough, so I'm always a really cautious cyclist and I pull them out way before I need to, especially when it gets to a red light. I have fallen a few times in the past but not been able to get my feet out of the pedals, which is funny for everybody else. Never did any damage to myself, luckily. Funny for everybody else to watch. Hurts my pride, and that's about it. I am now in my head
As I said before, when I was coming up that first climb, I wanted to stop and I couldn't because I couldn't get my feet out because it was too steep. So I'm now having an internal battle with continuing. I'm only a fraction of the way through and it's now a mind over matter battle, so I will keep you posted. Yay! First one done! Come on, you can do this. Mind over matter. You don't mind, it doesn't matter. So we've done 412 metres of climbing. We're almost at the end. I am feeling really excited because we're nearly at the end. The only caveat to that is that we're doing the steepest part now. This is the most climbing and we saw how it was to start with. So wish me luck and let's see how I get on. So I've just taken a minute to regroup, have a drink and continue. So I've finished, it's all done, I've completed it feeling relatively good. These helmets just, look at my forehead. Can you see it right there? Anyway, so I had the Wacoal high impact sports bra on doing this ride and it felt really good. I couldn't feel like I had it on, which is always a bonus with the sports bra. I didn't feel like my lungs were at all impacted by the sports bra. My lungs were just impacted by the fact they couldn't get enough oxygen in there. I didn't feel it just felt great. I couldn't feel the wires, I couldn't feel anything. I felt supported. It was a medium impact exercise. There wasn't any bouncing. It was a great sports bra for cycling. Until next time, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.